beach. Here we go. Driving for like 6 hours now. We're out here in the middle of the desert. Chilling. Throwing away the trash. Got big roadkill on the front of it. Ooh, I almost slipped and hurt myself. Big roadkill. About to let my brother-in-law drive the car. And I'm about to chill for a second. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Lee back at it with another one, man. Today we are actually in Vegas, or not really Vegas, but Henderson, Nevada. And today it's finally like 80 degrees, so it's not like too hot. It's been like 100 degrees since I got here, so I've been wanting to take the car out because they have a lot of new development out here, so it means like a lot of new roads and stuff where neighborhoods will be, but they're not there yet, you know what I'm saying? So I want to go practice some of my sliding over there because I don't get opportunities like this where I live. So I'm gonna go try to find some spots, man, and see what we could do. Yeah, Porsche R8, that Acura NSX, a new one. They got Stingrays. That's so sick. It'd be dope to be able to go up in there, take the Scat pack up in there. I wonder how many views I could get if I was able to sneak on this track and get some laps in. Ferrari. I just want to pull in just to pull in. Why not? Yep, be pretty fun, man. That black R8 is clean. The NSX is clean. It's an orange one. Blue Huracan. Yeah. Someday, man. Well, they got race cars in there too. That's hella cool. Alright, well, I guess like all the development and little open spots that I thought, I guess in a year they built fucking hella houses and shit and built neighborhoods there now. But I think I got a little cool way to go over here. Try to do some shit. Super slippy. Maybe I'll spin the donut real quick. Should I do that? Should I do it? I should probably do it. But I'm gonna wait till I get this camera on here. If I go in second gear, I'll skate and watch. I don't know why I feel, maybe it just got traction. I almost felt like traction control came back on right there. Now that I have the Hellcat airbox in here, I feel like I got like a little whistle from the ram air system, because now it's ram air, so now that it be sucking through the hole up front through the nostril, you be hearing like a little whistle. It's kind of cool. I'm gonna pull over here and set up my GoPro right quick on the side of the car. All right, let's see what the car does when you just floor it in first gear. I'm just gonna bury it. 1, 2, 3. Hoping that GoPro I have don't fall off. I don't think it's going to. Alright y'all, so next day. Need to find a car wash, bro. Look at this. Yeah, man, we about to go to this famous mansion or something. I guess it's like the graffiti mansion. So I'm about to go pull up over there. This dude got his, he paints his house like it's hella different, like themes, like Louis Vuitton. I guess right now it's like a car wash theme, I think, right?
Pretty sure, yeah.
So I'm about to go see it. I'm about to go hit the car wash and then go see a car wash house. It says quarantine.
It says quarantine. That's tight. That's pretty cool.
That's a vibe right there. That's crazy. That's pretty cool. Alright y'all, check that out. Pretty damn cool. We painted this whole house as car wash. And then you got Mr. Clean up there. I don't know if y'all seen this house before actually, but I guess he paints it and changes it every once in a while. And it used to be like a Louis Vuitton house and all that type of shit. So it's pretty dope. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Well, someone's already doing donuts right here. Alright y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate y'all for tapping back in. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you like the video, share it. Giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so faster we get there, man, faster we get to the giveaway, I'm gonna do something cool. It's not gonna be no bullshit. I'll do some cool shit, I don't know, but maybe y'all should leave me some ideas in the comments below and we'll go from there, man. But I appreciate y'all for tuning back in. We'll be back with some more.